Welcome back. Still the Van Rap Radio. Yeah, man. It's still the Van Rap Radio. I'm sorry about that. It's just crazy how, like, I'm going on Twitter. Like, Grand I was tweeting about the show. Oribakazishi won't be performing. And the show is a scam and all that. Then, boom. Shane Eagle is trending. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, man. Shane Eagle's trending. That's it. Fine. Then I go on Facebook. I see this guy Kungo's written. Shane Eagle is now a porn star. Your favorite rapper is a porn star. Okay, let me take a drink. Yeah. Okay. I'm like, what the fuck? Shit. Then I went on Twitter, back on Twitter. So when I got on Twitter, this is what I picked up. Shane Eagle just posted a picture. Okay, holding his dick like shit. I got big dick or something. And then the first the statement I got on Facebook is the same statement that says your favorite rapper is a porn star, darling. And then I'm sitting there like shit. What's going on? So people started commenting there, and then and I can see here Cellular ZA says when you thought you have seen it all, then boom. Your favorite rapper Shane Eagle is keep on star. Yeah, and 2020 is full of wonders, bafanas. Like shit. And then some people went on that if us Limpopian decided to post our pictures, it will end. Whoa, like shit. Like no, man. If Limpopo guys decide to post their own pictures, like it's gonna add the tears. And I'm there like, what the heck does it went through his head when he posts that picture? Like nigga, shit. Then this other guy, devoted citizen, he says like this doesn't look real. When yelling, it must shoot straight, especially from type of trouser. Maybe someone provoked him about small PP, and he's trying to set the record. Yo, guys, I don't know what you think, but I don't think someone like me would do such shit, man. I think I'm way too old. You know, there's things I can't show. I'm sorry about that, guys. I wanted to read more tweets, but I just realized there's some content on the comment that I wouldn't want you guys to see. I wouldn't want people to see. Like people are posting some bullshit right there now. They're posting some. Yeah, they're turning this whole thing into a real pornographic post. Yeah, but yeah, man. Shane Eagle did that. Shane Eagle, they're calling him a porn star now. They're saying, yeah, dude, what you just did turns you to a porn star. I don't know what you think, guys, but you can comment below what you think, what you're saying, how you view the whole thing of Shane Eagle. Ain't on your poster, the videos that were the I'm sorry, man. Offera dingiringa or something. Hey, I got this shit. Or maybe she's just showing off for girls should be exciting, like, yo, I want to try that shit. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Shane Eagle, big up my nigga. But me, nah, man. What will Nemo say when he sees his father doing this shit? Sorry about that. Shit. I'm out of here. Love you all. You know how to get that post of Limpopo. Guys post their pictures to let in tears. Fuck. Oh, shit.